fuso limene Michael Usi afunika ayankhe lakuti kodi akanakhala kuti iwowo a president awatenga mukhala running wawo bweza akutchula anzawo mbava ayankhe fuso limene auza Malawi ni one of Israelis auze kuti yes nkanapanga. If the answer is no, then he is not sincere. He is dishonest. He's just being clever for nothing. He's trying to be clever when we can see this is not really genuine. This is just bitterness. The president amenotenga running mods, and amenotenga running medi amene awuze he can compliment him and bring more votes to the ticket. That's what each and every candidate in the world does. Kadi Trump, kadi ndani, akamasanga running mate. Amanena kuti kodi amene abweretsa chani pa ticket. Amangana kula chokera kuti ali mapuziro wanji. Nanga track record yake ni yotani. Ability yake ni yotani. Kodi nikambweretsa, who am I bringing? Then he settles on one. Ewa Michael Usi ngati sana atenge. That's not the way to behave. If he thinks kuti mboma muli umbava, corruption, abide ku ACB, or achule mtu amene ali corrupt you. I was just saying, oh, anthu corrupt, mtu mmene muli mbava, zimangidwa, zitani. It's childishness. It's a theater. Now, Malawi is not a theater stage. It's not a drama stage. Malawi want serious things, want serious discussions. If people have issues, they let them bring evidence. For Malawi, sinifobusa. Or this is very true. So sataniza, because we know this is frustration. This is bitterness. This is badly taking rejection. And it's not really rejection. Rejection could maybe they will not lie. He was never in contention as far as we are concerned, as far as the president is concerned. He was never in contention. And they should have known that the earlier the better and be happy with it. But this is ingratitude. Because if there's a person that Michael Usi will forever thank, together with his family, not just him, but together with his family, is President Lazarus. Pompatsa ulemu kumusankha kuti akhale vice president after ngozi ya malemu Saulo Chilima. Akatopatsa Kaliati, akatopatsa Akambara, Tumbuka. That decision inamusintha moyo wake. Mwina avogoma mfaka mwina awokwiya. But muntu wanzeru umaona kuti ichichi chanisintha moyo wanga and kuti nisithe chifukwa cha uyo ameneyo suma munyoza under any circumstances. Suma munyoza. Foma kuti uyu ananisintha moyo wanga. Anawoganiza kuti uyu akhale mwakuti nkuzichita zimenezo ananisintha moyo wanga. Ndedi mati uthokoza muntu, gratitude. Because there is tomorrow.
Kuyamika.
Kusamika kumoneka kwa fashion. Arrogance and the bitterness, kumoneka kuti is fashionable. People are praising you, people are supporting you. People love theater, people love entertainment, people love gossip, people love zogamba zathu. Achochika so hapa kuti zona, agwira auba chakuti mShoprite. People will talk. This is Wakuza, Mina somebody beghani, they will talk. So, Mina Kuzabusa, Awa, you know, I'll the champion. There's tomorrow, my friend. There's tomorrow. Shisango Zita. But 16 September, take a voter, Zita. There's tomorrow that you might think about. You don't know what comes tomorrow. That's why Muntu was Togoza. I'm going to say Yo ajamoyo wao suzakala chimodzimodzi. Azakala panoba, azakala after 16 September, azakala a former vice president. Kuliko sada bide a former vice president. Zigo as state, will look after him by his death. And that happened because of Chakwera. Because of Chakwera. Him and his family will never be the same. Azikhala mtu uthokoza kofunika komaso muntu sunga mango trust zodo libena zo umboni wena obereke umboni kuli SCB akhoza kupereka umboni ngati aunatasoona kuti pena pake pali wina akachita umbava mboma pali amene awikira kumbuyo mbava ife sinuikira kumbuyo mbava pano koma tikunena kuti kungobwera kumangobwebweta zizi zonse opanda umboni ndikula kwaso because it's like politics.
That's what we want at this moment. That's not what we want.
That's what we want. He's a candidate. Let him tell Malawians what he himself is going to do. What is his plan? He's a candidate for president. So he'll be on the ballot.
Other than
on the 16th, why should me, when I enter that booth, vote for him? I'm not going to vote for him because he's just yapping about this, about that. As he come to Togoza. Moyo wao udasita chifukwa cha a president
komaso
ulemu so ndofunika kwa anthu amene akuthandiza munthu fa amene unda abambo ako na amayi ako ngati akuthandiza akusintha moyo wako. A fundamental change, not just a small change kuti kakang'onong'ono basi title this, a fundamental change. Your life has forever changed. Munthu amene akuzisene zozo ufunika kumuthokoza faka dathosa nthatu ena kokuja kuti a president was that liberty even usankhawo kwa MCP unaona kuti Catherine Hala ukhala vice president. Nobody, people don't go koma state asankha basi malamulo amalero anasankha yo azithokoza.